curve C has the equation y equals x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 2. The point P has x coordinate 2. Part A, find dy by dx in terms of x. So let's differentiate our curve. The x cubed will become 3x squared. The x squared will become the 2x, and the minus x will differentiate to be minus 1. The 2 will differentiate to be 0. So that's part A done. Part B, find the equation of the tangent to the curve at point P. So, tangent y equals mx plus c. We want the gradient and the y-intercept. To get the gradient, we can use our gradient function from part A. And that's where x is 2 at point P. So if we substitute 2 into our gradient function, that's going to tell us the gradient of the curve at point P. So we get 7. So the gradient of the curve when x is 2 is 7. So that's the gradient of the tangent at that point. To get my y-intercept, I want to substitute a coordinate in. I know the x-coordinate is 2. I don't know the y-coordinate yet. But that's fine, because I could substitute 2 into the original y equation to get the y-coordinate. And when I do that, we get 4. So when x is 2, y is 4. So if we substitute that in here, 4 equals 7 times 2 plus c. So c is minus 10. So the equation of the tangent at point P is y equals 7x minus 10. We are then told that the normal to the curve at point P intersects the x-axis at point A, and we need to find the coordinates of point A. So if I can work out the equation of the normal, I can then find where it intersects the x-axis. To work out the equation of the normal, I want its gradient, and I know it's going to be perpendicular to the tangent. So I'm thinking negative reciprocal. The negative reciprocal of positive 7 is negative 1 over 7. It is the normal at point P, which remember was the coordinates 2, 4, so that we can substitute that same coordinate in. So 4 equals minus 2/7 plus c. If we add the 2/7 to both sides, get a common denominator. So c is 30 over 7. So the equation of the normal is y equals minus 1/7 x plus 30 over 7. Now where does that intersect on the x-axis? Well, intersecting on the x-axis is when y is 0. So if I make y 0 here, multiply through by 7, so x is 30. So the point A is the coordinate 30, 0.